Robotics has been identified as a critical skill needs for the sector, but there is limited training provision available that fits this gap. It is believed that this has been a key barrier to robotics adoption across the manufacturing sector. The Supplier Skills team at Jaguar Land Rover, working collaboratively with key partners, designed curriculum to meet this skills gap, which has now been developed into a national curriculum. There were many challenges and barriers in addressing this need. Therefore, we had to look at innovative solutions, and after successfully bidding for UFI funding, we were able to explore and deploy digital technology as part of the skills solution and developed the robot training platform, the first immersive digital augmented virtual reality training experience.
Block specialise in digital media, and our input into this project was to try and facilitate the design and development of an innovative approach to digital delivery for training systems. The advantage is we've been able to reutilise the digital asset across both tablet and PC based training and reutilise it in Vive immersive training aid, which helps with muscle memory and helps retention.
It uses 3D gaming technology to build digital twins of real-world industrial robots, which maintenance technicians can learn their practical competencies that they use every day on the shop floor. What was really good about this project, it was a real collaborative approach, including small SMEs who were at the forefront of their technology areas, who helped craft the solution. There's ourselves at Jaguar Land Rover, who represented over 30 supply chain companies who fed into the project in different ways, and also obviously the robot manufacturers themselves. One of the real challenges we have with robotics training is access to equipment. A sale can cost up to £40,000 in a single instance, and so a lot of our supply chain companies do not have technology that they can use for training purposes alone. The alternative is to go to third-party training solutions, which again tends to be expensive and quite far from the actual site itself. The solution is great because it's scalable, it can be used right across the supply chain in their own companies.
We are already a major supplier of training into UK manufacturing industry. For this project, we provided robot product information to the project, and that was in the form of 3D CAD models, specifications and step-by-step service procedures. It allows training to be delivered without physical equipment being available. It allows trainees to practice and develop their skills safely and without risk of damaging production equipment, and it allows a blended approach of digital technology with conventional hands-on training approach to provide an optimal training experience.
With the training app or the VR, you can do this anywhere. You don't need the big machine, you don't need a specific place. The training can be taken into the workplace, the training can be taken into the home place. And one vital benefit is the prerequisite training, so that you could access this material, learn about it, before then going on to an expensive training course and already have a lot of knowledge gained that would shorten the length and training exposure. The technology is out there. There are mobile phones, there are tablets, there are virtual reality gaming things already out there. So why not apply that method of delivery of information in a training environment?
It's engaging for my generation anyway, and it allows me to be confident before I actually go onto the line. I think it's a tool which could be used outside of the workplace as well. So in the classroom, we've got the technology like iPads that we can use, but also if we wanted to, we could take them home and have the same applications to learn in our own free time.